So I've been room scrolling for quite a while now and feeling bad about it. But guess what? I still choose to do the same. I've been into a loop now, and to change it, it's the time to put my phone down and get more into reading because it's been such a long time since I'm in a reading slump. And today's video is all about reading for a day. Let's choose a book, but before that, let's make some coffee. No, it's not that I'm using this tumbler for the very first time. I've made coffees multiple times in this one, but I don't know. I just, whenever I make it, after drinking, I wash it and then I keep it back in this. No one asked for that. Extra information not needed. Anyways. Hi you all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing absolutely great, and in today's video you guys know that what we are going to do today. It's been such a long time since I'm in a reading slump, and to change that, this video is for that. So today I will be reading for a day, like as much as possible, and taking you guys along with me. And don't just watch, you guys also, if you are in the same state, let's change it. Let's get more into reading and make this year count. And yeah, let's get started. Now getting these out, like the ice cubes out, is definitely the task. And the coffee is ready, you guys. I love the fact when my coffee turns out this frosty. I mean, someone who loves coffee, especially cold coffee, will know this thing. I don't know if it's me or it's something in general, because when I read a book, it's like I binge read, but when I don't, it's like I don't, like not at all. But it's never a in between situation with me. So it's around 7:20 in the evening right now, and I'll try to continue read as much as possible. But now my phone's battery is quite low, so I need to get it charged to continue vlogging, of course, obviously, because I have the only phone, my phone, from which I make videos. So I'll try to read it if I can, because this is the evening time, and you guys know, in typical Indian households, we can't just have our own me time and be sitting in a corner and be reading or doing stuff we want to, because in a minute or two my mom will be like, come help me in the kitchen, or help me with the stuff and all. But I'll try my best to read as much as possible, because I want to get out of a doom scrolling. I want to get out of just being on my phone, and I don't want to be like that's the only stuff I'm doing, being on phone, chatting or just scrolling and all, because I really want to change this thing. And this can be considered as a step towards me trying to get out of this. I'll update you guys later. For now, I'll try reading, and yeah, I'll put my phone on charging for now. Okay, bye. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, but I started reading it in the evening, as you guys know, and I've read only this page, and I'm here somewhere here because it is not easy. You know, it is not easy to read at the in the home like properly. You won't be, getting time, and you'll be sitting idle, and then your family will allow you to read in peace. So I don't know how much time this will take me, but jitna bhi I have read till now, I think this is all about, this is something kingdom thing going on, and you know there is this girl talking about, maybe she is in any slum, and she's, introducing us to it. I mean, I don't know how to explain it, but I've just started and I don't know how to explain it in words that what is going on so far. Maybe I'll explain you guys better when I'm done with few pages, I guess. So yeah, let's see how it goes. But for now, I don't think I'll be able to read anymore. But like currently, so yeah, I'll meet you guys once I started reading again. Okay, so I'm thinking to start rereading again. Basically, it's 12, like it's 12:06 in the night. It's 12:06 right now, and I'm thinking to reread. I mean, I'm thinking to restart reading it again. I finally got the time to sit and read, maybe if someone won't interrupt me again. And on some days I'm like, I like the book very much, I'm reading it, I'm very interested in reading that, the story is good, everything is good, but for some reason maybe I get busy or occupied with something, I keep that book aside and I forget, like I literally forget that I need to continue reading it. And you know what, this feeling is just so bad. Okay, honestly, I want to talk about this book. It's also 12:14 right now. I'm reading, but I'm honestly not getting the story exactly like what it is actually about. I think I'll read few more pages and then I'll get to know what it is actually about, because I think I don't know how to explain it, as I mentioned earlier.
मैं तो बोला ये मत देखा कर, 8 दिन तक बोला देखने लिए, इसमें तो क्या सीखने मिल रहा है? नॉलेज की चीज़ सिखा तो कुछ देखेंगे, उसकी दवा में घुसे हैं, कितनी चीज़ें, हज़ारों लाखों चीज़ें बच्चों की सीखने की।